Today we're showing you a Ford 250C industrial tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a cab. Tractor has just under 2,500 hours on it. We traded this tractor in from a large corporation. They were using it to maintain property grounds. The tractor does show quite a bit of rust. It does run, work, and operate the way it should with no known mechanical issues. However, this is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it is selling as is, where is. If you'd like to come in, drive it, check it out for yourself, feel free to do so. We're going to show you everything on the tractor that we know about it. It's got a pretty big bucket on it here. I think the listing says 80 inches, but it looks a little bigger than that. Might be a 7-foot bucket. It does have some rust on it. You can see some rust on the hood here, simply from sitting outside the way it looks. It's got a 3-cylinder Ford engine. Some rust around the fenders back here, which is pretty common. R4 tires are in pretty good shape yet. The valve stem here shows some rust, but certainly have seen worse. It's got wheel weights in the back, 3-point hitch and 540 PTO. Also has a rear remote back here, right under this flapper here, so that can certainly be used as a standard tractor as well. It's dry around the stem here, but you can see where I think at some point you can see the rust around that rim. If you're looking for an inexpensive four-wheel drive cab loader tractor, this one might fit the bill for you. The inside step here has got some rust deterioration. The top here, somebody ripped the heater unit out of it, so no heat in this one anymore. 2284 on the hours. This one has the torque converter transmission, so you've got high-low range and then 4 gears and then forward reverse right here on the steering column. That forward reverse, just flip it back and forth to go forward to reverse. It's a pretty slick transmission. Again, this is one of our budget-friendly tractors that sells as is, where is. If you'd like to come in, check it out, feel free to do so. If you have questions on it, feel free to contact us at maskedtractor.com. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. We can also offer financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.